Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to program your Xfinity remote to control your TV using just your phone. Let's get started. First, open the Xfinity app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are in the app, look at the bottom and tap on Services, then tap on TV or Devices, then select Remote and Devices or Remote Setup. This is where you can program your remote for your TV or other devices. Pick up your Xfinity remote and press and hold the setup button at the top until the LED at the top clicks green. This puts the remote in programming mode, ready to connect to your TV. Back in the app, tap Program Remote or Setup TV. Choose your TV brand from the list. The app will guide you through sending signals from your remote to the TV. Once programmed, test your remote by pressing power, volume or mute. If the TV responds correctly, your remote is set up. If the app may guide you, try a different code for your TV brand. And that's all. You have just programmed your Xfinity remote to control your TV using a phone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.